Hey guys, today we're looking at how to calculate how much laminate or solid wood flooring you need. So we need to calculate how many square meters of flooring we need because the packets of flooring are sold in square meters. So it'll say, for example, on the packaging, 1 packet of flooring covers 3 square meters. So now let's take a look at how we calculate the square meters of flooring that we need for our room. So let's first take a look at a square room, which is a nice and easy example. So something like this room here, where the walls are the same. On our left hand side, the wall is 3 meters and on the top is also 3 meters. I like to convert it to centimeters. It just makes it easier for calculating because your measurement will never be around a meter. So then all we have to do is 300 times 300, which gives you 90,000. And then to convert from the centimeters to the meters squared, we just divide it by 10,000. So for this square room, you would need 9 square meters of flooring. Okay, let's look at another example. So this time we have a rectangular room. So maybe, for example, you're doing a long, narrow hallway, or you have a long, narrow room like in this picture. So for this example, our top wall is 2.5 meters, so we're doing it as 250 centimeters, and our long side is 6 meters, so 600 centimeters. So then we just do 250 times 600, which gives us 150,000, and then to convert it into the square meters, we divide it again by the 10,000, and that gives us 15 square meters. So we need to buy 15 square meters of flooring. Okay, for our last one, let's look at something a little bit more complicated. So for example, an L-shaped room, something like this sitting room here, where you've got the bend around by the sofa, or in this picture where they have the laminate strip in the middle of the flooring. So first we want to break it into 2 different shapes. So we have 2 rectangles here. The one on the left is 2 meters by 5 meters, and then are almost square on the right, 3 meters by 2.5 meters. So we're going to first look at the left rectangle. So we do 200 centimeters by 500 centimeters, which gives us 100,000 centimeters. So we just want to take our 100,000 centimeters divided by 10,000, and that gives us our square meters of the first section. So our first section is 10 square meters. Then if we look at our second part, we have 300 centimeters by 250 centimeters. So that works out to be 75,000 centimeters. And if we want to convert it to our square meters, we divide it by 10,000 again, and we see that it is 7.5 square meters. And then what we want to do to find out the total area of this room, add them both together. So 10 square meters plus 7.5 square meters gives us our final area of 17.5 square meters. You have to allow for offcuts as well. So we normally say to add for an extra 10%, but if the shop's running out of the flooring, it's good to get even up to 20%. The 17.5 plus 1.75, which would give us the total of 19.25 square meters we'd be looking to buy. Hope this video was useful, and if you have any questions, as always, just leave them down below.